Where does the name for Holway come from? So today I'm in a settlement just outside Holywell in Flintshire, and it's called Holway. Let's get into the name. Now the name Holway is made of two parts, and it comes from Middle English. The first part of that is holch, which means hollow, and then the second part of it is way, which means way. And it refers to a path which is so old that the sides grow up around the side of it, and it kind of looks like a hollow pipe or a tube. If it means hollow way, why isn't it called Holloway and not Holway? Well, it's because in Middle English, hollow was holch, not hollow, so it means Holway, Holway. So the name literally means the hollow way. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.